Welcome, I'm Donna Dewberry, the original creator of the FolkArt one-stroke painting technique. Today I'm in the Plaid studio and we are talking about the Let's Paint program. The Let's Paint program with the FolkArt one-stroke has been around for a few years, and if you haven't seen them yet, you need to go check them out. We have had so much fun creating these programs for you, and this year, the exciting news for 2022 is our new program, which is Birds and Blossoms. So many of you over the years have said, please teach me how to paint a bird. And you have told me lots of birds that you enjoy, and we have put together some great bird lessons. And by the time you learn these 6 birds, you will be able to paint many other birds. We are really good about step-by-step lessons, teaching you strokes and helping you put together a beautiful painting so that when you're done, you feel lots of success. One of my favorite of the paintings that we're doing is we are doing cardinals. And you know what? There's such great meeting with cardinals that many of you have shared with me. So we did a female cardinal and a male cardinal, and the shapes and fluffiness of the bodies. And when you look at a cardinal, the difference of them and other birds is sometimes they're red and sometimes they peak on the top of their heads. So you see how we took a palette and we made it look more like a distressed wood, and we put a bird house in it and many other elements that are going to make this just a great project. Our next painting is a bluebird, and I just love that it's kind of elegant, soft. It has a bird cage that I'm going to teach you, which will be really fun to use that bird cage on many paintings. Pretty little blossoms, and she's looking over her shoulder, so it gives a really sweet look. Look how fun this goldfinch is. Now, I think that when you see all these elements with the thistles, the birdhouse, the butterfly, this goldfinch is still the feature that we want to look at. And look at the size, the shape, and how we design this goldfinch. So this will be exciting and different than all our other projects that we do this year. A toucan is so fun and out of the box compared to our other birds, and I love this toucan with the flowers, the background. Look at everything that you're going to learn, how to get the talons and everything on here. This will be a good experience for your painting. So look how great this owl is, his big, luscious eyes, the feathers that you're going to learn how to layer his body to make him. He's kind of looking sideways. See, his chest is here and he's looking at you. And look at all the different leaves. We're going to learn all this multicolored fall leaves that you're going to see here and how easy it is to make that happen. And it kind of sets off this beautiful raw wood piece, and the bark edges on the side just make it a great painting. I also, with the blue jay, use the same raw surface because it just looks really great and outdoor with branches and snowflakes. And look at our feature here. This blue jay has a different head than other birds, and it also has these gorgeous feathers that we're going to learn together there and how to make it look like it really landed on that limb. Wasn't that fun, learning about the birds and the blossoms and the surfaces and the kits? I bet you're out there thinking, I can't wait to start painting birds. You know, Plaid's made it really easy for you. And all you have to do is go visit plaidonline.com/let's paint. And that gives you all the information, all the tools and supplies and everything that you're going to need to paint along with me all during the lessons. And if you're there ready to paint or you've been painting with us already, please go join our Facebook group. And that's where you're going to share your pictures that you're going to be taking of everything that you paint with us. So go to Facebook and search Let's Paint with Plaid. And then when you join that group, what you would do is take your pictures of everything you've been painting with Plaid during the year and share with us by hashtagging Let's Paint Challenge. Thank you for being with me today, and let's paint.